It was a gray, drizzly afternoon in the town of Whistleberry, and Mila, a curious and bright-eyed girl with big curly hair, sighed at her window. I wish something exciting would happen, she mumbled, tapping the glass. Her dad smiled and handed her a bright red umbrella. Why not go for a walk? Maybe the rain will wash up something magical. Mila grumbled, but off she went, puddle jumping past candy-colored houses and tulip-lined sidewalks. That's when she saw it. A crooked little sign swinging above a narrow alley, half hidden by ivy. Huh? Mila blinked. I've never seen this place before. The door creaked open on its own. And of course, she stepped inside. The bookstore smelled like cinnamon and old paper. Books lined the walls from floor to ceiling, glowing faintly like fireflies. A sleepy black cat stretched on the counter. Hello? Mila called out. No answer. But the books rustled. The pages turned themselves. And one, a deep blue leather book with gold stars, slid off a shelf and floated right toward her. On the cover it read, "Begin your adventure, brave reader." Mila opened the book, and the words leapt off the page like fireworks. Suddenly, the bookstore vanished, whoosh. Mila tumbled into a bright green meadow filled with talking flowers and candy-colored clouds. What is this place? She gasped. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!